What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited for this one, guys, because I'm about to show you how to make money online. And the best part about this method, it's really simple for beginners to get started and understand this method. It's not complicated at all. And I'm currently making over $10,000 per month with this method, and I'm going to show you some real live results in a second so you can see that I'm actually making this money. Now in this video, I'm going to take you through exactly how this works. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this, so make sure you stay all the way to the end so you understand how this works. I'm going to show you my real live business and show you exactly how I'm making this money. Now I've been making money online for quite a long time now, a lot of years, and this is one of the best strategies that I've been doing over this time, and I've perfected it, and it works really, really well. I'm literally going to be showing you a business that's making me over 6 figures per year on this video. I'm literally going to be showing you everything, so make sure you smash that like button, because not many people show you everything online. They don't show you the actual real business that's making the money, and I'm going to show you that exactly in this video. But before we jump in, I know you guys want to see some results, so let's go and have a look at some results, and I'll show you this right here. So this is over $10,000 in the last 30 days. I'm actually going to refresh this so you can see. So it just refreshed then. We'll do it again, and it just refreshed again as well. Over $194,000 and over $10,000 in the last 30 days and over $2,000 in 7 days. Now, how did I do this? I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this and how you can do it as well. Keep this in mind, a bit of a disclaimer. I have experience doing this. This will take you some time to do, but once you understand it and you put in the work and take the action, you can go out and make some money online with this particular method. So what I'm talking about, guys, in this method is a strategy that I've been using for a long time to make the money online. How this works is I go out and find products online. In this case, it's a product called ClickFunnels, and we'll talk about that in a second. I send traffic to these products. I get a commission every time someone buys the product, and I use free traffic to do this in this particular video and method that I'm going to show you. So this is the product, guys, that I actually go out and promote. It's called ClickFunnels. I promote other products as well, but for this particular video, the $10,000 a month, I promote this product called ClickFunnels. Now, if you've ever wanted to promote ClickFunnels, make sure you watch this video, guys, because there's no one else doing this type of strategy. I'm going to be sharing everything that I do. ClickFunnels is a program where people build sales funnels, webinars, they collect emails, they can create online memberships. It's something that most people online trying to start a business need, and we can get a commission for promoting this particular product. Now, the commission structure works like this. So this is called affiliate marketing, and this is how the commission structure works. So you can get paid up to 40% monthly recurring commissions. Now, you'll get 30% first, and when you hit a specific number of active members, they will then pay you 40%. Now, ClickFunnels costs around about, it costs $97 per month and $300 per month. So you can get 40% of that every single month from every single person you get on this program if they stay. So they can stay for quite a long time, and that's why you'll see that $10,000, because it builds up and it becomes recurring. Now you can also win what we call a dream car. So let me explain that on the actual affiliate page so we can get some more information. I have over 300 active members. If you get over 100 active members, they'll give you an extra $500 per month. And if you can get over 200 active members, they'll give you an extra $1,000 per month. And that's not all. You can also, so you can promote just ClickFunnels, but you can also promote other things. This is called the One Funnel Away Challenge, where you get $100 commission for each person that purchases. This is called the .com Secrets book. They have lots of upsells, and you can make money with this as well. They have another book, and they have other programs as well. So let me explain to you how you can make money with this and how I make money. What I do, guys, is I go out and I use the power of search engine optimization. So I go and do articles based on specific keywords. And here is one of my websites here, 5funnel.com. This is a real website. I own this website. This is mine. And I do content based on specific keywords, but very, very easy keywords. Let me explain to you how it works. Let's say John goes and puts into Google ClickFunnels versus MailChimp, ClickFunnels versus Kartra, ClickFunnels versus Lead Pages. I have these simple little articles that go over. So if we click on this one here, I have a simple article that's only about 1,500 words long, and I compare both products, and then people will click on the affiliate link. So what happens is I put links in these articles and people will click on those, and then I will get a commission when someone actually goes and gets on ClickFunnels or Zipify as well, which is what I'm promoting as well in this particular website. So here's a breakdown of how you can make even more money. You could do a, and by the way, this is things that people are actually searching in Google right now. People are searching this all the time. So I've done one here, ClickFunnels versus Zipify. You can make money from ClickFunnels and Zipify. You can make money from both these programs because they both have affiliate marketing programs. So the first step to doing this, guys, is understanding a few things. First of all, you're going to need a website to do this, okay? Now, I recommend using Bluehost. I'll leave a link below. I'll get an affiliate commission if you do go through that link. But you can sign up for $2.95 per month, and you'll get your own website. I'll also leave a video below on how to create a website. We're not going to do that in this particular training. Then what you want to do is you want to go to ClickFunnels and you want to sign up as an affiliate. Okay, so just go into Google and put in ClickFunnels affiliate, and you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate. It's completely free. Now, once you do that, guys, I use a little secret location to go out and find particular keywords and things that people are searching on Google right now. So for example, this is the website I'm about to show you. I put in ClickFunnels and it gives me all of this information that I can then go and write content about. So let me show you exactly how this works. This is called answerthepublic.com, and if I put in ClickFunnels, you can put in all sorts of stuff, right? There's lots of softwares that you can promote and you can go and make money from. But if I put in ClickFunnels, it's just taking a little bit of time to populate right now, but it gives me all of these questions that people have asked in Google. Now, stay with me, guys, because a lot of you guys have probably seen this before if you're my subscribers, but I'm going to explain to you how this works in the sense of volume. I'll tell you exactly how I make a lot of money, because a lot of you guys might be thinking, well, how many articles do you do? And, you know, how does the traffic come? How much traffic do you get? I'll explain that in a second. But we have all of these keyword ideas, okay, that people are searching. And here's some examples. ClickFunnels versus Zipify. ClickFunnels versus Zipify. It's one that I found inside Answer the Public. We have sales funnels versus Wix. Oh, that's supposed to say ClickFunnels versus Wix. That's a mistake. I do have an article on that as well. And it says ClickFunnels versus Wix. Then this one here, can I use ClickFunnels with Squarespace? And it says, can I use ClickFunnels with Squarespace? Now, a lot of people always question me and say, hey, but there's not a lot of traffic coming to these particular keywords, right? And a lot of the time, those people are right. There isn't always a lot of traffic to these keywords, but this is how it works. I go for volume. I focus on volume. I write content on, you know, some of these keywords get 10 views a day, 15 views a day, 11 views a day, 4 views a day, 5 views a day. And you might be wondering, well, why are you doing it? How do you even make money with such low traffic? Well, it's a volume game. And what I mean by that is it's simple. I want to go out and create a lot of articles. We actually stopped creating articles for this website 4 months ago. We just started up again. We're doing another batch of 200. But this site at the moment has around about 140 articles. If each article got just 1 view per day, that's 140 daily visits to that website. Now, all of these articles are getting at least 1 visit per day. So straight off the bat, I'm getting 140 views per day. If each article got around about 3 views per day, that's 420 views per day based off the articles that I have now. If each article gets 5 views per day, that's 700 views, okay? So that's 700 people with eyeballs on your website and affiliate links every single day. And then obviously it scales up. Now, some of the main articles here are getting 10, 15, 11 views per day. So you can imagine there's quite a bit of traffic coming to this website. But that's how it works. It's a volume game. Now, I'm going to show you a little secret in a second that gets me even more money with this method. So make sure you keep watching, okay? It's very, very important. But what I want to explain to you is the steps of how to actually get the content up. So once you've created a website, once you sign up to Bluehost, they'll take you through the instructions on how to start a website, and I'll leave a link below to a tutorial on how to start a website. Once that's started, guys, you can actually go and create a post. It's very, very simple. You just go to post and add new, and you can put in a title. So just go to the answerthepublic.com, and I just take something. So I'll just take something like ClickFunnels versus Unbounce, and I'll do an article based on that. And here's an example. We've got ClickFunnels versus Zipify. I'll put in the title. I'll put ClickFunnels versus Zipify in the URL here. And then I'll put some content, which is completely free for you to write. It's not very hard. You can just go and kind of like see what I've done. And then here's some more content. And then here's some more content. And I just write content. And then I install a plugin, which is called a SEO plugin. And at the bottom, you can edit what shows up in Google. Okay? So if I take this here, ClickFunnels versus Zipify, and I put this into Google, you'll see here that there's some websites, and this is what shows up when you actually edit this section here. So whatever you edit here will show up in Google, and that's what helps your page get seen on Google when people search things. So it's very important to install a search engine optimization plugin so you can get your article in Google. Now, it doesn't have to be at the top. I just like to get it on the front page. Even the second page will get you traffic, okay? But it's so simple. It's so simple. Just write content. Like, Google gives you all of the ideas. Answerthepublic.com gives you all the ideas that you need to write. If we go back to here and I put in another thing here, let's put in GetResponse, which is another platform kind of like ClickFunnels, okay? We put in GetResponse, and it's literally given me more content ideas for another program that I could promote. Is GetResponse down? That's a question. Payments for GetResponse. So you can do best payment platforms for GetResponse. So you can, there's no boundaries. You can keep scaling. You can do ClickFunnels and other products. Answer the Public gives you everything you need. Then you can go and create the content for the website. Now here's a little secret to get you even more affiliate commissions. ClickFunnels has a function called Share Funnels. So you can create a funnel and you can share it with somebody. One of the biggest problems online is people don't know how to create funnels. So you can do it for them. And let me show you one of the best examples of how I've implemented this into my website. So 5funnel.com, I've got an article on how to create a sales funnels for real estate agents. I can create a funnel myself, so I could go and sign up to ClickFunnels. It's very simple. I can just go to clickfunnels.com. I have my own account. I can go and create a funnel for real estate agents, and I can share it on that article, okay? I can do something like click here to get this funnel, and I can give people the funnel for free, and I'll get affiliate marketing commissions. However, if they sign up to ClickFunnels. However, another way of doing this is I also give away a free 5-day training course on how to use funnels. So I'm educating people on how to build funnels for their business and things like that. So they're going to stay on the platform for longer. That's why I like promoting ClickFunnels, because they give you the share funnels. And then I also give them a free little training course on how to use ClickFunnels. So they stay on for a very long time. I've had people on my ClickFunnels under me for over a year. So as you can imagine, when these people stay on for a year, I'm getting 40% every single month from these guys as long as they stay on the program. And then here I have how to create a sales funnel for lawyers. Then you've got how to create a sales funnels for plumbers, for builders, for coaches, for golf, I don't know. But you've got all of these ideas, and you can go and create little funnels, and you can share them with people, and it gives you more, it gets you more quality people that are going to stay under you for longer on ClickFunnels. So that is the secret. Give value to receive commissions in return. Give people a free share funnel. Go into ClickFunnels, get your own account if you want, create funnels to share with people. This is the secret. This is how I'm getting really, really good commissions from my websites, okay? And then give them a free mini course as well to educate them so they stay on ClickFunnels for longer. Now, if you want to learn more about this, guys, I will leave a link to my training below that takes you through step-by-step how to do this. But if you want some more training on ClickFunnels and how I've made commissions, I will leave a video up on the screen that takes you through step-by-step. It's completely free for you to watch right now, and I'll show you how I've made more commissions with ClickFunnels and other affiliate marketing programs. I'll also leave a playlist on the right that you can click right now as well. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, guys. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, okay? And I'll see you on one of the videos on the screen.